This is AEP 855 Module 7 by Stephanie Lane. Let's get started. What is the human resource frame of leadership according to Bowman and Deal? The human resource frame is based on a family made up of individuals who have needs, skills, and relationships between each other. Within this family, the focus is on skills, attitude, teamwork, and communication. After all, an organization is not just an organization, rather the people who work for and make up the organization. Within the organization, communication, organization, and collaboration are key to the success of all individuals collaborating as one. The leader of the human resource frame, according to Bowman and Deal, should act as a servant willing to help meet the needs of those around him or her. They can do this successfully by following the 4 assumptions of the human resource frame. These assumptions are based on the service of human needs and the reciprocal relationships between people and the organizations. Describe how you would prioritize people or groups under your leadership. I have prioritized my people perhaps differently than most would. As the leader, it is my job to serve, lead, and protect those around me, especially the students within my building. However, just like with everything else in life, it takes a village. And in order to successfully meet the needs of all of my students, I need my village, my colleagues, employees, and friends to share the same vision that I have for leadership. I believe that love begets love. So if I love, respect, and support my employees, they will do the same for not only each other, but our students as well. The students can be my #1 priority each day. But without the support of other adults in the building, fostering the same vision and culture I believe in, I will not adequately impact the students the way my people will. So therefore, in order to take care of the students, my #1 priority, I must first take care of my staff. My teachers and paraprofessionals are crucial to this because they spend the most time with the students during the day. The cooks, office staff, custodians, and maintenance personnel are crucial as well because at some point during the day, they will interact with the kiddos as well and need to share the same school vision. Next are the parents. If the parents buy into the school vision, then they are more likely to support not only the students, but the staff as well. The students next are key to this successful pattern because the students become our alumni, and our alumni become our community, continually supporting and influencing the circle of my leadership pattern and our school culture. Thanks so much for watching.